Hi, my name's Mark. I'm the National Service Manager for ASV Sales Service. We have 4 branches within the group which are situated in Newcastle, Brisbane, Sunshine Coast and Perth. Each branch services a large area within their respective states. Our primary aim is to minimise your machine downtime and keep you working. Our workshop capabilities include breakdowns, warranties, component replacement, rebuilds and scheduled maintenance. Our field service technicians can come to you and carry out any service work including breakdowns, interval hour services and machine checkups. Our highly skilled and well-trained staff are exceptionally friendly, well-mannered and approachable, and certainly will be there to assist your every need. We pride ourselves on expert product knowledge and a commitment to supporting every machine. We also have the backup of the OEMs such as ASV, XCMG, JCB and VCOM, plus many more, to ensure the machine is cared for with a maximum expertise. In addition, all our 4 branches carry ample part stock for all our products to ensure minimum downtime and efficient service work. We also have the ability to go to our OEMs to source parts locally and from overseas. Ultimately, we're here to help all and any customers wherever we can. So please get in touch and we're happy to help.